And we have thumbs up on Apollo. Drivers behind the lines. 3, 2, 1, let's rebuild.
Give me fuel, give me fire. Here we go. Human players active. Robots. Here they come. Red and blue. Red with a slight advantage. But blue's still shooting. There we go. Okay, blue with a slight advantage. But red is transitioning. They've got their hub blinking. It's about to turn off. And now it's blue's turn. 21:58, 28:48, 30:35. All shooting, all three robots contributing to their total score right now. Here in the early part of this match. They look like they want to play some offense for this match. 30-35. Look at that beautiful projectile motion right there. And here comes the Red Alliance. They're ready to go. Their hub is active, but we got some defense from the Blue Alliance trying to squeeze in there and disrupt the Red Alliance ability to shoot. But we still got 87-49 trying to get up there, get that fuel scoring. We have 54-27 scoring. Trying to reload. Back to the blue side. All three robots are shooting. It's a close match, but blue taking the lead. Blue taking the lead. Can they hold that lead? Scoring, scoring, scoring. We got all the Red Alliance in the center of the field trying to collect. They're getting ready for their wave. Here they go. But we got, of course, the Blue Alliance is going to go in there and try and mess them up. 28-48, disrupting their trajectory. 54-27, going for it. They're catching up to blue. Can they do it? 54-27, taking that corner shot. 253, 274. Here we go. End game. 30 seconds, both hubs active. Let's see what's going to happen. Blue keeps pushing the button there. 310. Come on, red. Come on, red. Can they do it? Looks like blue is taking that lead. Here comes red. 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. All right, Justin. 373 to 310. 5 ranking points for blue and 1 ranking point for the Red Alliance.